Are you looking for a way to reduce your knee pain? Knees are prone to tension and soreness, especially if we overdo activities or have poor form. But don't worry, there is a way to alleviate this discomfort, and it's simpler than you might think. In this video, I will teach you how to stretch your knee tendons the correct way so that you can get back to pain-free movement. Stretching your knee tendons is an important and effective way of alleviating discomfort and improving flexibility. For many, stretching the knee tendons has become an integral part of their daily routine in order to keep the knee muscles more relaxed and flexible. Before you begin, it's important to make sure that you don't stretch too vigorously and cause any damage. Stretching the knee tendons can increase the risk of injury, so it's important to do only the right amount and to listen to your body. The first step is to identify the knee tendon you want to stretch, which is located on the back of the knee. This tendon, known as the iliotibial band, is made of long fibers and runs from the lower thigh over the knee joint and down onto the outer side of the shin. The next step is to perform a controlled stretch. Start by standing in a lunge position with the right knee bent and left one straight. Place your right hand onto your right thigh for stability and your left hand on the floor for balance. Slowly sink the hips downward, keeping the left leg straight, and reach with your left arm in the opposite direction. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. Switch legs and repeat the stretch a few times on each side. Another stretching method for the knee tendons is the half kneeler. Begin by coming down to one knee and ensure that the hip of the standing leg is square and pointing forward. Lean backwards and extend your foot as far as possible to get a dynamic stretch in the hamstring. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. In addition to stretching your knee tendons, you should also focus on daily mobility exercises. This includes performing exercises such as hip circles and knee circles. Moving your knees in circles is an effective way to increase circulation of the joint, which helps the tendons to become stronger. Additionally, you should make sure that before any physical activities or exercises, you warm up your body. Light jogging or dynamic stretching is a great way to warm up and ward off any potential injuries. If you suffer from sore or stiff knees, stretching your knee tendons is a simple and effective way to alleviate discomfort. Remember, always take it slow and make sure that you stretch properly and safely. With consistent stretching and daily mobility exercises, you will soon be able to enjoy the benefits of pain-free movement. If you like this video and find it useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Show us some love by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.